You're not gonna believe of what I just found out. People always say, kadalom sang Ilonggo mo ba? Do ka tinigulang na sa imo maghambalaw? Wala sang may ginatawag nga madalom na Hiligaynon o madalom nga Ilonggo. By the way, quick facts lang no. Ang spoken language mostly sa Western Visayas aside sa Kiniraya, amo ang ginatawag nga Hiligaynon, hindi ina Ilonggo. I just want to point that out kay hasta subong madamo sa gihapon confused kung anong kinalain sang Ilonggo kag sang Hiligaynon in terms sa lingwahe. Ilonggo is tawo nga taga-syudad sang Iloilo o probinsya sang Iloilo while ang Hiligaynon is the spoken language. Okay, so may madalong ba lang nga Hiligaynon? Ang sabat dira? Wala. Nga wala. Despite its rich cultural heritage, the everyday use of Hiligaynon words has been declining. There are words that are slowly diminish nga gakadula na because wala na naton ginagamit. And this decline can be attributed to the influence of Tagalog and English on the language over the years. Many of us, especially those in urban areas, tend to use more Tagalog or English words in our daily conversations. Kag kung kisa if you speak English, ang iban makahambal sa imo nga daw kasosyal sa imo or sometimes that if they hear you speak English, iba't nga tao, ma-feel nila that you sound smart.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ang pinaka-worst that I heard nga pagmamatik ka Hiligaynon music, they will call you baduy. Baduy sinong pamatik, ana? Those people are actually neglecting the beauty and richness of our native language. But we're gonna talk more about the topic in my other videos. In today's tutorial, we will explore some of the common Hiligaynon phrases, words, aiming to reconnect with our cultural roots and preserve the essence of our language. So join me as we embark on this journey to rediscover and celebrate the beauty of Hiligaynon language, one word at a time. So, let's start. Ano sa Hiligaynon ang door?
Hold the door! Hold the door!
Ang door sa Hiligaynon ginatawagin ng ganhaan or gawang. Puertahan is actually a Spanish word. That's why when we encounter gawang and ganhaan, dobag o sa aton nga pamatian. That's why hindi kita masyado familiar. If mabatian na naton sa iban nga mga katigulangan, no, we always say, kadalom sang imo nga Hiligaynon. So, sa liwat, ang door, ginatawag na sa Hiligaynon, ganhaan, or gawang. So, diri naman kita sa direction. Ano sa Hiligaynon ang north, south, east, kag west? Ang north is naaminhan. Ang south is nabagatnan. Ang east is nasidlangan. Kag ang west naman is katungdan. So ang next word naman natin is dingot. Dingot or actually pwede man siya tawon nga indalok. Okay, it's tenderness sa English or close-fisted. Hindi mo man siya matawag na selfish, but it's more on like, hindi lang lapang idalok or though medyo may greediness or pinakalapit nga word is, what I've said earlier, is close-fisted sa imo. So, examples, you use it in a sentence no, sa Hiligaynon, hindi mo pag-indingot sa iya ang imo pagtahod. Or in English, don't begrudge him signs of respect. Another term, hindi ka magdingot sa imo pagkaon or don't stint your food. And another word is butho, meaning silang go to school, to study, or to learn. Example, if you use it in Hiligaynon, nagbutho si Lourdes sa Manila. In English, Lourdes studied in Manila. Ang isa pa gid ka meaning sang butho is to visit or to visit frequent. And if you use it in Hiligaynon language or in a sentence, nagabutho siya sa amon diri sing makaisa sa tagsa ka semana. Or in English, he visit us here once a week. Now, from the butho word, may ma-encounter naman kita nga word nga ginatawag nga buluthuan. Buluthuan is actually, in English, it's a school or a place where people gather. So, bago kita magpadayon, no, may good news ako sa inyo. Amoy ni ang Lutein Plus capsule. Ang Blue Turna Plus capsule is actually a food supplement that really helps and enhance my memory. Now, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm doing research, self-study ko, so I need brain power kag gina-provide ni Blue Turna Plus capsule because mayroon siya ingredients which is Blue Ternity will enhance your memory. That's why always ako gatumar sang Blue Turna Plus capsule. Sang gatumar ko sang Blue Turna Plus capsule, I can read 2 to 3 books in a week. Ang acceleration sa akon nga pagmamasa nag-increase kag ang akon man comprehension okay, kalaway mga gabasa ka wala ka kay hindi sa ginabasa mo, no. So diin bala ini mabakal ang Blue Turna Plus capsule. Mabakal ini sa Shopee, sa online, kag also sa mga local pharmacies, and you can also visit kalusugan yan Facebook page kung gusto ninyo mag-order. Alright, so back to our topic. So padayon kita sa aton nga tutorial, no. May mga words pa nga kisa lang naton nga masugata or kisa lang naton mabatian, but these are the words nga mga Hiligaynon. Example, bintana. Bintana is actually a Spanish word, hindi ina siya Hiligaynon. Ang Hiligaynon word for bintana is talambuan. Again, talambuan, bintana. And ano pa? Dagway. Ang dagway, we somehow relate it into hitsura. Ang kanami sa dagway, no ba? Something nga muna. Ang word ng dagway is actually mahambal in English as image. Ano pa? We have word na color. Anong color sa Hiligaynon? It's duag. Duag. And lugar sa Hiligaynon or place is duong. Ang guwapa naman is matahong. But guapa is a word, Spanish word. So, in Hiligaynon, it is called as matahom. Ang warrior naman sa Hiligaynon is hangaway. And the last word is paindis-indis. Ang paindis-indis sa English, it's called contest or competition. Alright, so as we come to end our Hiligaynon language tutorial, I hope you've enjoyed delving into the richness of our native tongue. Remember, language is more than just a means of communication. It's a reflection of our culture, heritage, and identity. So sa aton nga mga followers, kag sa mga upcoming natin nga followers nga mga foreigners, I encourage you to continue practicing and incorporating Hiligaynon words into your daily conversation. By doing so, we are not only preserve our language, but also keep our traditions alive. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful or inspiring, please share it with your friends and family. If you are new to this community, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in my Facebook page, Patrick G. Bucabal, and together, let's spread awareness and appreciation for the beauty of the Hiligaynon language. And thank you for joining me in this linguistic journey. Ining inyong alagad si Radyo Man Patrick Bucabal, your wandering Migrensay.